Hello friends, welcome to my class and welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel Shikshan Mitra. Today we are going to learn Standard 9 Maths 1 or 2 Bridge course for day 3. I am presenting you a PowerPoint presentation and sharing the screen. This is PowerPoint presentation. Welcome to all of you in my class. We are going to learn today Bridge course prepared by Government of Maharashtra. My name is Mr. Khire Sandeep Vithalrao. I am going to start Standard 9 Subject Maths 1 or 2 Bridge course for day 3. And our today's topic is Basic Concepts in Geometry. All of you very well known about basic concepts in geometry. This is the revision for last year and preparation for new year. Okay. Now, basic concepts in geometry. In that first question is match the pairs given below. You have to match the pairs given from the figure. Answer the questions. Group A and Group B is there. First figure, identify the name of the first figure, which is the first figure. From B, you have to choose the correct option and correct answer. A, B, C, and D. Is it point, ray, segment, or line? First figure is of segment. This option answer is C. Second thing is second figure is of choose out of these four options. The answer is line. This option D. Third example, third figure is of choose correct option and correct answer from group B. The option is A, that is point. Its correct answer is option A. And fourth figure is of ray. Means correct option is B. Okay. Match the pairs. Got it all of you? You know very well what is segment, what is line, point, and ray. Now some important points are there. You know point, line, segment, and ray. What is point? You know the definition of point. Point means a point is shown by a tiny dot. We can use a pen or sharp pencil to make the dot. The dots in the rangoli are the symbols for point. A point is shown by a tiny dot. We can use a pen or sharp pencil to make the dot. The dots in the rangoli, you know rangoli, are the symbols for points. Points are used in rangoli always for making rangolis. A point can be given a name. You can give a name to a point by using capital letters of the alphabets are used to name a point. point doesn't have length, breadth and height. The points P, Q and R are shown in the figure alongside. Can you see the figure? Yes. Some points are given in the figure. Point P, point Q and point R is there. We can give such type of names to point. Means we can use only capital alphabets for point. Okay. Again, point, line, segment and ray. In this first point is over, point. Now we will see line. Let's imagine that we can extend this line forever without any limits on both sides. To show this extended line on paper, we use arrowheads at both ends of the line. In maths, when we say line, we mean a straight line only, not a curved line. It is a straight line. And there is no limit to a line. We can extend both the points on the line, on both the sides. We can extend both the arrowheads. A line is named using a small letter or by using any 2 points on the line. Its name can also be written as line M or line PQ or line QP also. The line is named by using a small letter also, small single letter, or we can use capital 2 letters for writing name of the line. Now in figure, it is line M, or we can say it is line PQ, or we can say it is line QP also. We can read like this also. Now next is segment. What is segment? The first line that we drew was only from point A to B or P to Q. It was a piece or a segment of the longer line. A line segment has 2 points showing its limits. They are called endpoints. We write line segment AB as segment AB in short. A and B are its endpoints. Name of the segment is segment AB or segment BA also. You can write both types. From the given figure, you can see the figure. We can write the name of this segment. This is a segment and there are 2 endpoints, point A and point B. And we can't extend these points or this segment. There is limit at the point A to B. So we can write the name of this segment as segment AB or segment BA. Now, the last is ray. You know ray? What is ray? A ray is a part of a line. It starts at one point and goes forward continuously in the same direction. The starting point of a ray is called its origin. Here, P is the origin in the given figure. An arrowhead is drawn to show that the ray is infinite in the direction Q. The figure can read as ray PQ. The ray PQ is not read as ray QP like segment. Segment we can read as segment PQ or segment PQ, but the ray cannot be read like this in both the sides because here P is the origin of ray and P is the starting point. Therefore, we have to read ray PQ only. We can't read this as ray QP. Okay, this is a part of a line. We can extend point Q at only one side only. We can't extend point P. Got it, all of you? Okay, now we will see exercise for day 3. First question is, draw the following figures. Draw point P. First one is point P. Second, you have to draw line M. Third, you have to draw line segment PQ. And fourth is draw a ray MN. You have to draw all these figures. Okay. Now second question is, write the different names of the lines from the given figure. Write the different names of the lines from the given figure. Line L is given. Some points are given on a line. Point A, point B, point C, and point D is there. And you have to write the different names of the lines from the given figure. Okay, got it, all of you? Okay, you have to do this homework at your homework in your notebook of maths. Got it, all of you? Okay. Thank you very much for listening me and for joining my class. Thank you. All of you have to do your homework of day 3, exercise of day 3 in your notebooks. So please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to all of you.